baseline. Pass to number 4. Shot clock at 13. Basket is good. The running score is 39-47 in favor of unsafe. 2 points. 89. Who's there? Number 13, ano tawag? 39. Remaining time, 9 minutes. Last ball possession. Number 4, pass to number 77. Trying for 3. It's single. Number 4. Number 1 underneath. No good. Again, number 4 pass to straight. Still back up. 91 pass to number 50. 2 points. Points for number 1. Number 15, setting the play. Pass to his teammate. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Dire-diretso. Oh, nakaw. Nabawi na number 4. Pass sa kampe. 2 points by number 77. 44-51 in favor of unsafe. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 91, dire-diretso. This is good. Relax, pass to number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Thinking 3, no good. Running score, 44-53. Shot clock at 19. Number 191, no good. 20. On the other, pass to number 1. Nagmamadali, and natawag by number same ball. Foul. 17 rep.
18.
18. The running score is 44-53. Number 4, pass to number 28. Pass to number 18, setting the play. No good. Score 44-53. Good. Good ball. Good. 5 minutes and 29. 44-55. Shot clock at 17. Quick game. Number 24. Pass to number 15. Oh. Brings out 2 points. Score 44-57. Remaining time 5 minutes. Basket. That's above the number. Timeout, Chile ball. Chillax, relax. Lamang sila. 15 to shoot. Number 4, steal the ball. Passing skip. Palok si Saril. Well done. Nice play. Passing skip. Number 1, Diretso. 2 points. The running score is 40-59. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Shot clock at 13. Shot clock at 5. Number 21. Passes sa number 26. 16 rather. Balik sa kabila, number 4. Balik sa kanya. Okay. Foul. Who's foul left? 50. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 21, kaya sa tinet. Good.
Naligo ka na, tanga. Sabi mo, naglaro ka lang, naglaro-laro lang
Number
ka.
91.
Ba't nagkulit ka ba?
Sa loob.
Sabi mo, naglalaro ka lang, papabawi.
Uwi na tayo?
No, again. Number 13 sa ilalim na.
Uwi ka na.
Number 4, dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Passes sa kape.
May tubig ako dun, oh.
Ha?
May tubig dun.
Saan yung kalaro ko?
2 points by number 12.
Meron pa.
Running score, 50-61.
Kumain ka ba siomay?
Ha?
Kumain ka siomay?
Hindi.
Nice pick. 2 points.
Bili ako na.
Kung hindi mo ako, hindi mo ako bibigyan. Dalhin mo dito kay Chay Tasken.
63. 91. The letter is to John. Si John Abel. 2 points. 2 points. Running score, 50-65. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Shot clock at 17. Number 15, Diretso. 2 points.
Time out, time out.
16 on.
Time out.
Habang ba ang bola? Ayan.
Yo! Sabi dito!
Number 4, shooting for 3, no good. Number 1, Aga Chill Brothers on the level, setting the play. Pass to Steven. Sa gilid, number 1, 2 points. 52-69. Steal by Chill Brothers. Naman sa clear. Layup by number 3, 2 points. Ano ulit? The running score, 56-69. Number 3, taking 3. Balik sa number 30, 2 points by number 30. Malamig na. Remaining time, 1 minute and 37. Number 28, taking 3. 3 points. Steal. Joe, dire-diretso. Wala. Isa pa. Yun. 2 points by Joe. Running score, 73-59. Remaining time, 1 minute. 53, no good. Oh. Two points. Bayan safe. 40 seconds. No good again. Number 4 on the letter. Christina. Oh. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 17 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 19, dire-diretso. Pinasa, 2 points. 4 seconds. The running score.
Ah.
Foul. Ang tawag. Offensive foul number 13.
Ginawa ka lang eh.
Hindi ako tanga.
Number 1. Number 4. Diretso. Wala. 2 points. 79-59. 20 points lead. Fourth personal foul. Number 30. 14. Nasa kanya bola. Diretso. 2 points. 81-59. 9 minutes.
Ayan, gigigil ako po eh.
Exactly. Number 3. 3 points. 62-81. Number 14. Setting the play. At dire-diretso. Sa kakampi. Oh, ayaw na bitlog. 3 seconds.
Kaya mahimik-himik ka.
Substitution, substitution.
Ano to?
Wag! Tubig ka muna.
Score, 81-62. Number 3, taking 3. No good. After 4 points, number 4 on the ladder. Diretso. Sa kanila, walang pass score.
Pause na nga, hindi kayo na.
Ano kaya?
Hingi na lang tayo.
62-81
Eh, kaya
in
parang,
favor of Ansay. Number 4, setting the play, pass to number 20.
27.
Back to number 4, pass to number 3. They go check again. No good
27
again.
na lang ba?
Facebook
Penya ko.
page, naan kami number 3.
Penya ko ah.
wag,
Pass to number 4. Oh,
sabaw. Ayun.
last touch. 3.
Tama.
7 minutes and 45 seconds. Score. 81-62. Points. By number 50. Number 3, passes sa campaign. Number 4, 83, no good. Bottom of the rebound, ball not safe. Dire-diretso. Foul. Let's go. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 11 seconds. The running score is 83-62. Seven minutes and 11 seconds. First try, the free throw is no good. Number 21, second try. It's no good again. Number 20, second ball. 62-83. Number 3, 53, no good. Battle for rebound. Pass break. Last touch by number 31. Timeout. Chillax. Three brothers.
Penya mo na.
Pass to number 4. Set the play. Number 4, 83. No good. Battle for rebound. Won by number 3. Pass to number 4. Back to number 7. Number 1 brother. Number 40.
Baka muna tali mo.
Diretso. Hey. Traveling. No pass. 28-53. Number 28. 3 points. Score 65-83. Last 6 minutes. Shot clock at 15. Shot clock at 10.
Ay,
Ano
paglaro
rebound?
ka sa Albo.
Chill Brothers.
Ay, paglaro ka sa Albo, tapos magpupunta ka dito.
Substitution. Unsafe.
Baka yun.
Basta wala na 5.
Ay, naibigay.
Hindi, baka. Ayun.
65-53. Number 4. Dire-diretso. 2 points by number 4. Running score is 83-67.
Itang ina mo ka.
Pagmamaya ko to ah.
Shot clock at 15.
Itang ina mo. Nandito na.
3 points.
Tapos ka na uminom dyan.
Hindi ko
Number
mapangawal na
77.
inom eh.
Last 5 minutes. Number 4 sa gilid. 2 points. 86-69.
Pusin ko na to.
Wag, lakas mo eh, no?
Shot clock at 15. Shot clock at 10. Final for rebound on the number 15. Pass to number 18. 1. Pinakabang bola. Dire-diretso. No good.
Nag-chat si Tito.
Oh, there's a foul committed by number
Nag-chat si Tito dito, good luck daw.
Hindi yun nilagyan
Second personal foul. Number 18.
Kasi may toyo yan eh.
Hindi naman marunong.
Second team foul. One point. Last one.
Pagkakain mo, hindi talaga namin yan. Doon sa paglunok na.
Last 4 minutes. Makakaba.
Ano naman sa paglunok?
Maanghang.
25. As 30. 2 points.
Gusto mo ka na
Punta mo si Kuya Franz, sabihin mo may tumatawag.
69.
79 tsaka 56 yung last.
Number 4.
Punta mo si Kuya Franz, sabihin mo may tumatawag. Sabihin mo.
25 passes na.
Kuya Franz,
20. Nabang bola.
Kuya Franz, Kuya Franz. Kuya Franz. May tumatawag. May tumatawag.
Three minutes. Remaining time. Running score. 91-69. 20. Send the play. Pass number 1. Naibit. At naagaw. 91. Diretso. 2 points. Running score, 93-69. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 35. Number 4. 2 points. Number 1. Running score,
Lakas mo eh, no?
71-30.
Oo, magpagalitan ka dyan.
Sino?
Sino nagbigay?
Sabi niya bigyan ka daw ikaw.
Si Kuya Franz? O yung mataba?
10 seconds to shoot.
Sabi ni Kuya Franz, bigyan na daw din nila. Pero hindi ko inano. Kaya yung nagbigay.
Number 18.
Malakas ako.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Mama,
I'm out.
Ano dyan, di mo ko binibigyan.
shark fin?
Gusto ko nga dyan. Ayun ba? Oo.
I'm out. And save.
Time out. Papa. Isa na lang gamitin yung bread.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 52 seconds. The running score is 71-93. Back to the bogey, back to the bogey. Remaining time, 1 minute and 52. Ayan, may kalaman nila.
Tapos na palaman ng kaloto.
Number 30, taking trade. No good.
Sino sabi?
Let's go.
Si Rep. Sabi mo, sapakan na lang muna tayo. Follow mo nga mga ako. Ito na ito talaga.
Diretso, pasa sa kakapal. Sa ikal. Good.
Tangina sa labi ko naman dumidikit.
93-71. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30
Lagyan mo ako.
seconds.
Uy, bago tinapos mo mga kayo.
77.
Surahan.
Pinaka.
Number 77, number 3, taking trade. 28.
Tax niyo, default.
15 as 25 points. 77. Last 50 seconds. 30 seconds. Taking 3 points by Nancy. 25 seconds. Remaining time. Joe.
Baby ko po.
Pakinggan mo.
Nag-uubos ang oras. Mahal sa court. Huwag mo pusin. Yun o. Nice try. Galudo. Last 10 seconds. 5.